How can I create a list of companies with my desired criteria?
Well, watch this video to find out. Use EQS, the equity screening function. It lets you screen companies with your customized criteria. You can select criteria from universe categories like countries and sectors, along with data categories such as fundamentals, estimates, and financial ratios. With this information, you can analyze growth, trends, estimate revisions over time, as well as compare data against benchmarks or relative data. On the Bloomberg screen, go to the command line. Type in EQS. A menu listing will appear with suggested choices. Under Functions, select EQS Equity Screening. Great! We are now on the Equity Screening screen. Here you will choose your criteria to create your list of securities. There are two criteria creation sections, the Screening Criteria and the Add Criteria. The Screening Criteria has different categories such as exchanges, sectors, indices, etc. The Add Criteria section lets you select data fields such as total assets, PE ratios, etc. At the selected Screening Criteria section, the default criteria are Active Trading Status and Show Primary Security of Company Only. Click on it to edit if you want. This section is designed to display your search criteria along with the number of matches. Now, as a search example, we will build a list of common stocks on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange with a price-earnings ratio greater than 15. First, on the Equity Screening screen, click Exchanges in the Screening Criteria section. This is the Exchanges window. You want Hong Kong, so on the left, click the plus symbol next to Asia Pacific, Developed. Choose Hong Kong. Then click the Update button. We are back on the Equity Screening screen. Exchanges, Hong Kong, is now in the selected screening criteria. You can see the number of stocks that match the criterion. Click on Expand Categories to select more screening criteria. Great. Next, click on Security Types. Here, select Common Stock to add it to the included options. Then click the Update button. Great. Security Types Common Stock is now in the selected screening criteria. You can see the number of stocks that match the criterion. Now we move on to the Add Criteria section to set the level of price-earnings ratio. In the Add Criteria box, type in Price-earnings ratio. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Price-earnings ratio. To specify a PE ratio greater than 15, click on the Conditions drop-down menu. Select Greater Than. Click the lower text box and type in 15. Well done. You have added all your desired criteria. Bloomberg found 456 common stocks on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, with a price-earnings ratio greater than 15 as of July 8, 2022. To continue, click the See Results button at the bottom. This is the results view. It displays the 456 common stocks that you found. To export the results to Excel, click Export. Select Excel All Securities. Great job! You have now exported the results in Excel. If you need further assistance, please contact Bloomberg or the HKUST library.